If you're seeing the message, "You haven't set up purchase verification" on the Google Play Store, here's how to fix it. First, understand that purchase verification is a security feature that helps prevent unauthorized purchases. It may ask you to confirm payments using your Google account password or biometrics like fingerprint or face unlock. If this setting is not properly configured, the message can appear when you try to make a purchase. To fix it, start by resetting the Play Store app data. Press and hold the Play Store icon, then tap App Info. Next, go to Storage. First tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data. Confirm when prompted. This will reset the app without affecting your installed apps or purchases. After that, close all apps running in the background and reopen the Play Store. In most cases, the app will reload properly and the purchase verification settings will reset. Then try making a purchase again. You should now be prompted to set up biometrics or password verification correctly, which will fix the issue. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.